Hi, I'm Ray. Today I'm going to show you how to create a bed for hardy annuals using seed, some sand and a rake. So let me show you what we're going to do. So if you have some bare ground that you want to fill with colour quickly, cheaply and easily, then a bed of hardy annuals is the perfect option. Any bed, any shape or size will do, and a sunny spot is best to get the most flowers. So all we need to do is fork over the area, removing any perennial weeds, making it nice and flat. Making a nice level surface. So hardy annual flowers are best on poor soil. So don't add fertiliser, and colourful choices include cornflowers, annual flowers, Californian poppies or pot marigolds. Try some calendula, clarkia or nigella for the wilder look. So once we've got our bed into a fine tilth, we can use our sand and we can mark some planting areas and make them different sizes, different shapes using the sand. And that's going to mark out our area for our beds. So when we're happy with the layout, we can make some drills. And making curved drills is a good idea. And we get our seeds and we sow them along the drills. So we've got some nice lines. So this is sea of pink. And we go through and do the rest of the drills, doing different diagonals, different ways, directions. There we go, and that's sea blue, that's sea pink. We've got some cornflowers going in the back. And there we go. So now the seeds are all in place. We give it a quick rake over the seeds. So we've covered each row lightly with the soil. Now we're using a watering can with a rose, and we water each of the sections. And then we wait, and we look forward to a lovely colourful flower display on the hardy flower bed. Add the label, and then look forward to a lovely garden in the summer. So that's a lovely job done in the garden, and hopefully get some lovely nice flowers. My flower garden is for my competition on the allotment for the best flower garden, so hopefully I get a good chance of producing a nice garden for the allotment. I'll also encourage the bees and other pollinating insects too to the allotment garden. So thank you for watching. And if you're new to my channel, then please subscribe, ring that bell, get notifications when I post some more. So, thank you very much. Cheers.